In order to set a photo as a wallpaper on OPPO Find X9, first of all we need to go to Settings. Now go to Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style, and then we're gonna scroll up over here in order to find the Wallpapers option. At the top, go to the Choose From Album, and then we can choose the photo that we wish to set as a wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and now we're gonna tap on this check in the upper right corner. Now in here we have a little bit of a personalization. We can zoom in and zoom out, for example, and once you set up the wallpaper we can press apply to, and we can choose where we want to apply it. And I'm gonna choose a lock screen and home screen. Besides that, we have the customization for the lock screen and home screen. At the bottom we have some additional options, so make sure to check that out. And in this case we can just tap on the preview in order to take a closer look how it looks like. Unfortunately, it seems that we cannot really change anything. Oh, actually we can move 2 fingers and zoom in and zoom out. So with 2 fingers we can adjust the position of the wallpaper. There we go, this is how it looks like. And we should also be able to do this for the home screen. There we go. Alright, so once we are done we can tap on apply in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.